Welcome to Market Decoded. It's May 3rd, and if you're trading futures or forex this week, you need to hear this. We've got a massive week ahead. Central bank drama, economic data bombs, and the kind of volatility that separates the pros from the pretenders. Let's get right into it. This week is all about the Federal Reserve and inflation data. Wednesday, we get the FOMC decision. Everyone's watching. Are they holding rates? Are they signaling cuts? The dot plot matters. The press conference matters even more. Powell's tone could swing the $50 pips in minutes. If you're not prepared for that kind of whipsaw, you're going to get crushed. But that's not all. Friday, we get non-farm payrolls. NFP is the big one. It always is. Jobs data drives dollar sentiment. It drives rate expectations. And right now, with the Fed walking this tightrope between inflation and growth, every single number matters. A hot number? Dollar rips higher. A weak print? We could see risk-on flows and dollar weakness across the board. Here's what you need to understand. This isn't a week to trade blind. This isn't a week to just throw on a position and hope. The market is coiled tight. We've been range-bound for weeks. Indices are hovering near key technical zones. The dollar index is sitting at a decision point. Gold is watching inflation like a hawk. Crude oil is reacting to supply concerns and macro sentiment. So what are the themes? Number 1, the dollar. If the Fed sounds dovish, if they hint at cuts sooner than expected, we could see dollar weakness accelerate. That means ER/USD could push higher. GBP/USD could break resistance. And dollar-yen? Watch that carry trade unwind if yen strength kicks in. Number 2, equity indices. The S&P futures and NASDAQ futures are at crossroads. If Powell reassures the market, if he keeps the dovish door open, we could rally. But if he sounds hawkish, if inflation is still sticky and he pushes back on cuts, indices could sell off hard. Remember, the market hates uncertainty. It loves clarity. This week will tell us which narrative wins. Number 3, commodities. Gold loves a weak dollar. If we get dovish Fed signals, gold could break to new highs. But if the dollar strengthens, gold could pull back sharply. Crude oil is watching global demand and geopolitical risk. Any surprise in the data could move oil 20 handles in a session. Now here's the thing. You can't trade all of this at once. You can't chase every move. The pros are watching, waiting, positioning themselves before the news hits. They're not reacting. They're anticipating. They're managing risk. They're thinking in probabilities, not certainties. And that's what separates the traders who make it from the ones who blow up. It's not about being right every time. It's about being ready. It's about knowing what to watch. It's about having a framework that keeps you disciplined when the market goes wild. So what do you do this week? Stay alert. Watch the dollar. Watch the Fed. Watch the data. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. And for the love of everything, don't go full size into a Fed announcement if you don't have a plan. This is the kind of week where fortunes are made and accounts are wiped. The difference is preparation. The difference is having a system. The difference is knowing not just what to watch, but how to trade it when it happens. If you're serious about trading, if you want to level up and stop guessing, we're building something big at marketdecoded.com. This is just the preview. The real edge, the full system, the exact tools the pros use. That's for the traders who are ready to go all in. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you every single day this week breaking down the action as it happens. Let's get it.